So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to prime the eyes. I'm using the NYX primer. So now using the Morphe 35O palette, you're going to apply a neutral color from the lid all the way to the top of the brow bone. Now I'm applying a ginger color just to the outer crease in a V outer shape, just to create some definition to the eyes and create some depth. Now using a brown color, you're going to apply it just to the inner V. Now I'm applying a shimmer color to the inner corner of the eyes just to give it a little bit more brightening effect, and I'm using the Violet Ross palette. It's a really nice, pretty metallic color that helps to really brighten the eyes up. Now I'm using the micellar water to clean up underneath the eye, just for all that fallout, and then you're going to go ahead and moisturize the skin. I like to do it with my fingers to create a really nice base. Now I'm applying some foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it in with my fluffy foundation brush. You really want to make sure to pack it into the skin so it looks natural. Apply the concealer right underneath the eyes and make sure to blend it in with your fingers. It just really helps to make it look super natural and like an airbrushed finished look. Now I'm applying some contour powder to her cheeks to make it a little bit more defined. She already has super defined cheekbones, but I just wanted to accentuate them a little bit more. For brows, go ahead and go in the same direction of the hair growth and just apply that brow powder. Next, apply some mascara to the upper lashes and also the lower lashes. I've lined the lips with the Coral Lip Liner. Now you're going to go ahead and apply some lip gloss to the lips. And voila, she's all done. Go ahead and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos.